Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on applied accessibility. We're going to learn about the figure element. So the figure element was introduced with HTML5, and it also has the fig caption. So the figure element you want to use for visual representations, such as images, diagrams, or charts. And we want to have captions with it, which is what we're going to use with the fig caption. And this helps improve a twofold accessibility boost by semantically grouping related content and providing a text alternative explaining the figure. So this is just a syntax of it. You use to create the element, and then here's the image, and here's the caption. So for this exercise, we want to change the div tag to use a figure tag, and then the p tag to a fig caption tag. So we go here, and this div tag will be changed into a figure tag. And now we change the closing tag as well. And next we change the p tag to a fig caption tag. And there you go for this one. Thank you so much.